Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Tag Manager triggers for form submissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for the website where you want to update triggers. Navigate to the Triggers section in the left-hand menu. Locate the existing trigger you want to update for form submissions. Click on the trigger name to open its settings. Review the current configuration of the trigger. If necessary, adjust the trigger type to match your form submission needs. For most form submissions, select Form Submission as the trigger type. Scroll down to the This Trigger Fires On section. Choose whether you want the trigger to fire on all form submissions or some form submissions. If you select some form submissions, use the drop-down menus to specify the form ID or class in your conditions. Ensure you have the correct form elements referenced to capture the desired submissions. After updating the conditions, click on Save to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Tags section to ensure your tags align with the updated trigger. Locate the tag that should fire upon form submission. Click on the tag name to access its settings. In the tag configuration, check that the updated trigger is listed under Triggering. If necessary, adjust the tag's configuration to ensure it captures. Once you have made all adjustments, click Save to update the tag. Preview your changes by using the Preview mode in the top right corner. Open your website in a new tab while in preview mode. Test the form submission to verify the trigger fires as expected. Monitor the debug panel to confirm the trigger and associated tag execution. Once verified, exit the preview mode and publish your changes. Your Google Tag Manager triggers for form submissions are now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.